Hello, welcome again. We are solving engineering exercise 3 2018 mechanical engineering paper. Question number 81 is which of the following statements are correct? 1. Steel and cast iron are multi-phase alloys. 2. Ferrite is a single phase interstitial solid solution of carbon in iron. 3. Wrought iron is a highly refined iron with a small amount of slag which gives resistance to progressive corrosion. 4. Stellite contains large amount of metals like cobalt and tungsten resulting in high hardness. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1, 2, 3 and 4. Option B 1, 2 and 3 only. Option C 1, 3 and 4 only, and option D 2 and 4 only. Here first statement is about steel and cast iron. So steel and cast iron contains ferrite and cementite, so they are multi-phase alloys, and the composition of ferrite and cementite are different for different type of cast iron and steel, so these are multi-phase alloys. And second statement is ferrite is a single phase interstitial solution of solid solution of carbon and iron. So single ferrite is can contain maximum of carbon of 0.025%. So that is your single phase. Ferrite can be considered single phase. So, but ferrite and cementite are two phase or multi phase. So second statement is ferrite is single phase interstitial solution of carbon in iron. That is correct. Third statement is about wrought iron. So wrought iron has slag which provides it corrosion resistance. So I am reading out for you. It is highly refined iron with a small amount of slag poured out into fibers. The chemical analysis of metal shows as much as 99% of iron and 1% of carbon. The slag characteristic of wrought iron is useful in blacksmithing operation and give the material its specular fibrous structure. The non-corrosive slag constituent causes wrought iron to be resistant to progressive corrosion. Moreover, the presence of slag produces a structure which diminishes the effect of fatigue caused by shock and vibration. So, third statement, that is wrought iron is a highly refined iron with small amount of slag which gives resistance to progressive corrosion is correct. So, fourth statement is about stellite. So about stellite, I am reading out some theory. Stellite is a family of completely non-magnetic and corrosion-resistant cobalt alloys of various compositions that have been optimized for different uses. The alloy currently most suited for cutting tools. Stellite tools are used. For example, is stellite 100, because this alloy is quite hard, maintains a good cutting edge at high temperature and resist hardening. And nearly other alloys are formulated to minimize combination of wear resistance, sorry, to maximize the combination of wear resistance, corrosion resistance, and ability to withstand extreme stability. So stellite is a tool that is of cobalt and tungsten, providing it high resistance to corrosion, wear and temperature. So all statements are correct. So steel and cast iron are multi-phase alloy, that is correct. Ferrite is a single phase interstitial solution of carbon in iron, that is also correct. Third, the wrought iron is a highly refined iron with small amount of slag which gives resistance to progressive corrosion, that is also correct. Stellite contains large amount of metal like cobalt and tungsten resulting in high hardness, that is also correct. Answer is option A.